Alright, thought I'd show you a hotel room back flush of a Sawyer Squeeze. So what I tend to do is fill up your bottle of water with warm water. I like to give the Sawyer a tap and look at all that gunk, like you can see that. That is all the shit that's been filtered out. So this loosens it up a bit for you. Pretty filthy, hey? But just shows you how good these things are. Alright, shaken a few times, then I grab my bottle. And same sports lid fits onto the Sawyer and squeeze, and look at all that shit coming out. You can see it for yourself. So brown water, that's all the muck that's been filtered out. So I do that once, I'll give it another tap. Basically just keep doing this until it's until it runs clear. So it doesn't have the same force as the syringe that comes with the Sawyer, but it's good enough for an in-town back flush. Yeah, and just keep doing this until it goes clear. Cheers.